皆さん、こんにちは。みーさチャンネル資格ハンター編です。最新の英語ニュースを読み上げますので、英語の試験勉強やスキルアップにご活用ください。
Ukraine cuts off Russian natural gas pipeline supplying Europe. May 11, 2022, 4:56 p.m. VOA News. File Russia's Sudza gas pumping station is seen, January 11, 2009. The shutdown of a gas pipeline through Russian-held territory in Ukraine is sending a new wave of energy jitters through Europe. The fight for Ukraine played out beyond the battlefields on Wednesday, with Kyiv cutting off one Russian natural gas pipeline that supplies European homes and industry, while a Moscow-installed official in southern Ukraine said the Kremlin should annex Kherson after Russian troops took control. Ukraine's natural gas pipeline operator said it was stopping Russian shipments through a hub in eastern Ukraine controlled by Moscow-backed separatists because of interference from enemy forces, including the apparent siphoning of gas. About one-third of Russian gas headed to Western Europe passes through Ukraine, although one analyst said the immediate effect might be limited since much of it can be redirected through another pipeline. Russia's giant state-owned Gazprom said gas flowing to Europe through Ukraine was down 25% from the day before. The European Union, as part of its announced effort to punish Russia for its 11-week invasion of Ukraine, is looking to end its considerable reliance on Russian energy to heat homes and fuel industries. It has, however, encountered some opposition from within its 27-member bloc of nations, especially from Hungary, which says its economy would sustain a major hit if its supply of Russian energy were cut off. In Brussels, negotiations with Hungary over a ban on Russian energy purchases ended Wednesday for the moment. If not resolved, it would constitute a major split among NATO allies in unified Western sanctions against Russian President Vladimir Putin to sanction him for his invasion of Ukraine. File This Planet Labs satellite image taken on March 15, 2022, shows Kherson Air Base on fire after an alleged airstrike against Russian forces occupying the base. Meanwhile, Kirill Stramusov, deputy head of the Kherson Regional Administration installed by Moscow, told Russia's RIA Novosti news agency, "The city of Kherson is Russia." He asked that Putin declare Kherson a proper region of Russia, much as Moscow did in 2014 in seizing Ukraine's Crimea Peninsula and declaring Luhansk and Donetsk as independent entities shortly before invading Ukraine on February 24. Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov said that it would be up to the residents of the Kherson region to make such a request, and to make sure there is an absolutely clear legal basis for the action. Ukrainian presidential advisor Mikhailo Podolyak derided the notion of its annexation, tweeting, "The invaders may ask to join even Mars or Jupiter. The Ukrainian army will liberate Kherson, no matter what games with words they play." Kherson is a Black Sea port with a population of about 300,000 and provides access to fresh water for neighboring Crimea. Russian forces captured it early in the war. Tatiana Pochevalova reacts outside her destroyed house in Vilhivka village amid Russia's attack on Ukraine, near Kharkiv, Ukraine, May 11, 2022. On the war front, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said in his Tuesday night address that Ukraine's military is gradually pushing Russian troops away from Kharkiv, the country's second-largest city and a key battleground in the Donbass, the eastern industrial region that the Kremlin is trying to capture against stiff opposition from Kyiv's forces. Ukraine is also targeting Russian air defenses and resupply vessels on Snake Island in the Black Sea, according to the British Ministry of Defense. The ministry said Russian resupply vessels have minimum protection since the Russian Navy retreated to Crimea following the sinking of the flagship of its Black Sea fleet. Separately, Ukraine said it shot down a cruise missile targeting the Black Sea port city of Odessa on Wednesday. Some information for this story came from the Associated Press, Agence France Presse, and Reuters.
以上で今回のミーサチャンネルは終了です。最後までご視聴いただきましてありがとうございました。よろしければ高評価とチャンネル登録をよろしくお願いします。